Hello, I'm Nadia MacLeod from RP Emery Legal Kits, and we help you cut your legal costs with our online template kits. Sales agency agreements are used when a principal engages a sales agent to sell products or services on the principal's behalf. This sort of arrangement offers a range of benefits. For instance, sales agents can help businesses source additional markets, drive growth, increase sales, and promote the principal's goods or services. There are two types of sales agency agreements. The first is an exclusive agreement. An exclusive sales agency agreement means that the agency relationship is established with a single agent to sell goods or services. The second is a non-exclusive agreement. This refers to a general agreement where a principal can appoint more than one sales agent to sell their goods or services. A sales agency agreement is an important tool that helps set out the terms of the agency relationship in writing. The agreement should generally include a provision that specifies the exact fees and commission structure for agent services. If both parties agree to use a commission structure, this must be clear from the terms of the agreement. Using example calculations within the agreement can assist with clarity. Considering when the agreement will be terminated is also important. For example, termination should be an option when there is a breach of the agreement parties or if one of the parties goes into liquidation. Finally, confidentiality clauses are necessary to protect any confidential information that you disclose to sales agents. Make sure you consider any confidential information related to your business and whether your agreement adequately restricts the disclosure of such information. RP Emery's Sales Agency Agreement package contains a template for both exclusive and non-exclusive agency agreements. Our professionally drafted documents are easy to use and available for immediate download. If you'd like to learn more, check out the links provided below.